Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Bahamas. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Bahamas Ministry of Foreign Affairs website where they have the section for e-visa. So the very first thing, who needs a visa to enter the Bahamas? Okay, because not every nationality need to have this visa. So they have given a link. So these are the nationalities, those who need a visa, but certain nationalities, for example, India, they have a mark here. So that means special conditions apply. So what are these special conditions? We will find out. Okay, so that will find out where when we go and check this. Okay, who does not need, so countries list is also given, so that's fine. So they have given the cost, duration. Okay, how long? So it takes 7 to 10 business days. Okay, interview and fingerprint. Applicants will be interviewed at the selected visa office in the preferred appointment details section of the online portal, bearing the completed form, visa confirmation page, and original document. Okay, fine. Now let's go through the checklist. This is where we'll find special conditions. For example, you are an Indian national, so I select India. So if you have a valid Schengen, valid is not expired, UK, Canada, or USA visa, you do not need a Bahamas visa to enter Bahamas. You must present aforementioned visa together with your valid passport to immigration at the time of entry. Yes. So like that's very important thing. So if these exceptions apply as an Indian national, you don't need a visa. Otherwise you do. So now they're asking if you have valid email, yes, valid passport. You are going for self-sponsored. If someone else is sponsoring you, then you cannot apply online. So who can do it? It's not a sponsored visas are not available. So self-sponsored means you can expenses. What are the documents you need? They have also given the checklist. Okay. Bank letter, police report, medical certificate, address where you're gonna stay, flight itinerary, and other things if applicable. Okay. Acceptable recent photo JPG, scan document, valid card. Let's say you're gonna go for single entry. So now this is yep, this has been enabled. Okay. So you have a photo, you can upload here and check if it's gonna work. If you have submitted your application, you can track it here by going to track. So if you have saved your application, you can come resume it. You can pay the fee here. If they have asked you for supporting documents, you can upload here. Any questions you have, you can go. If they have rejected your photo and you want to upload, they have asked you to go for new photo, you can use this. But for now, let's click on apply for visa. Does the national require a visa? I select yes. I select visitor. I select self-sponsored. Is the applicant passport valid for 6 months from the intended date of travel to the Bahamas? I select yes. Now you can apply online. Okay. And you need Visa, a MasterCard, or American Express to pay the fee. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some sample details, but you do it as per your case. 5, 6. So total 7 tabs. Okay. Applicant tab. So I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own case. Date of birth. Okay. Sample. Passport number. Now all details you enter here, guys. Make sure you check it at least 2 times. Many people do minor mistakes, then they struggle what to do next, what to do next. They come up with so many issues. Don't let that happen. Check everything. Okay. Now the tabs have gone on this left side. Find personal information. Purpose of visit. Okay. I select vacation. Date of arrival. Now consider the processing time and date format too. Length of stay in day. Let's say I'm gonna stay for 10 days. Money available in dollar. Let's say just 7. Traveling with spouse. I select no. Traveling with dependent. I select no. Oh, sorry, I wanted to say no. Preferred visa office to attend interview. Atlanta, USA. I select consulate visa headquarters. Preferred appointment day. I select any day. Preferred appointment time. I select any time. Next. Personal information. Gender they have asked. Country of birth. City of birth. Let's say Delhi. National ID number. It's not mandatory. Just, but if you have Aadhaar or something, definitely provide. Issue date, passport. Yeah, check your passport. That's the simplest thing I would say. Sorry. Place of issue. Country of issue. Contact details. Okay. Add address. Permanent address. Whatever it is, you know your address and the things, right? I don't have to tell you. Okay. Home phone number. Work phone number. Email. Just a sample, guys. Let me see if I can copy and paste. Looks like yes. Employment type. Let's say employed. If you're a student, put the student. Okay. If you're unemployed, put unemployed. So provide your school employer information, name, phone number. I'm putting sample guys. Profession, years employed, let's say 10. And add address. Address type. I select work address. Okay, for students, they will select institution address. Previous employer address, I'm leaving it blank because it's not mandatory, but if you have, why to hide it? No reason. Next is what we have gone to family matter status. single. Provide parent information by clicking on add parent. Because this is a sample video, I'm not doing it, but in your actual definitely same for family also, emergency and mandatory. So I'm just putting it here. Father, mother, daughter, son, brother, sister, aunt, cousin, uncle. I'll just say cousin and Smith. Say Peter. Phone number, street, city, country. Okay, what else they need? Travel. Okay, name of hotel we are gonna say, let's say Hotel A. Name of host person. Of course, if you have done the booking, you'll have it. But anyway, that's not mandatory. Phone number they have asked. Email also, so if you have email, provide that also. Mode of arrivals. I'll select aircraft. Address. Okay, for your hotel address, provide that information. And select. Applicant has a criminal conviction. I select no. Applicant has committed terrorism. I select no. Have you ever visited Bahamas before? I select no. Or applied for a Bahamas visa? I select no, but answer according to your case. Has applicant been deported or remanded required to leave the Bahamas? I select no. Next. Okay, now we have come to the document section, upload photo. And next is gonna be like upload document that we had seen earlier in this video. Review your application. If you want to make any changes, then do. Otherwise, go for submit payment and then it goes into confirmation, and from there it will go for processing. And if everything is good, you will be granted the visa. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.